We couldn't get close last time. We literally just walked that up. Oh my God, I never thought I'd actually ever make that obstacle.
What's up, Brite Nation?
Hey, what's going on, Brite Nation?
So it was still really early in the day when we closed out our last video, and we decided it was too early to leave the trails. So we're on Milt's Mile now, and we're on the first hard obstacle. And since the last time we've been here, it has been significantly dug out. Perfect.
Oh, that is super dug out.
Yeah. No, you're good, you're good. Woo! Woohoo!
If you go this way, you're going to need all the heavy.
You're taking the hardcore, okay. I know, of course he is. I don't know why I thought otherwise.
Stay that way. There you go. That's going to sink in. So,
Yeah,
I
that's...
think at this point, you're going to want to use all your heavies and go wide out.
Perfect!
Just like that.
I used half the Hemis.
Half the Hemis. Real happy.
This thing is so... We don't even have stickies on this yet. We're about to get stickies next week. I don't know.
Do we even need them?
I don't know. Okay, with the top off, nothing in the back, and no spare tire, I feel like we don't need stickies anymore.
We've taken out about between 300 and 400 pounds out of the rear with the spare tire and everything inside.
That changed the entire Jeep. I feel like if this is how we rolled all the time, I would not put stickies on this. But since we already ordered them, we're gonna put them on.
Since we already bought them.
Since we already bought them. Close last time.
No, last time we didn't even get close.
Good, you're looking real good. Looking real good. Looking good. Hold that line. Come on, keep coming. Looking real good. Hold that line. Hold that line.
What's on the right side?
You're right.
Nothing. You're fine. A hill.
Yeah,
but don't straighten out. You need to
just
stay
on your rocker.
You need to stay passenger.
Yeah, I need you to keep coming. Come on. Keep coming. That same line. No. I'm going to take you driver in just a second. Now driver. Just there, yeah?
There you go.
I need that back right wheel climb. Okay, it is. You're looking real good.
You're not going to slide yet.
The issue becomes your back left wheel.
No, it's this passenger one. Keep coming. There you go.
Okay,
Come
you're
on,
climbing,
Milester.
You're climbing. You're looking real good. Your hood level.
Stay passenger. Stay passenger.
Let me look.
He's fine. He's totally fine on this side.
I'm trying to keep him level and get him climbed.
Yeah, no, he's perfectly fine.
Right there, that line. That line. Straight. Okay, this way. There you go. Hold that. How's that back feel?
He's fine. He's on the way. He's
hey,
you're all the way on. You're up.
You're out.
Holy crap!
I didn't even get close last time.
Dude, and what's the
Fucking
difference?
long arm.
What's the difference between last time and this time?
Long arm 3-link.
Long arm
Holy
3-link. That's the only change.
We couldn't get close close last time. We literally just walked that up. Oh my God, I never thought I'd actually ever make that obstacle.
Dude,
how twisty was that? Like,
actually, all the twists.
oh my
just
God.
The extra travel made all the difference.
That 3-link long arm just made all the difference. Holy shit.
Isn't that awesome? High
Killer
five.
spot. Yeah, and also, we're living with you right now.
All right, that's true. We're household.
We're household. Killer spotting, dude. That was
Thank
dope.
you. Yeah.
Okay, this one's actually super sketchy, and you have to listen to your spotter, because if you fall one way or the other, you're gonna have a bad time. If you French fry when you should pizza.
Nice crawl. Passenger. There you go, passenger.
Oh,
He's okay. He's okay. He's still outside.
passenger, hard passenger.
Come on, buddy. There you go. See how it's fighting? Okay, come back, driver. It's that, yep, it's that bit.
Which officially brings us to our arch nemesis, the 3 monkeys, which you guys will probably remember from about a year and a half or so ago. I attempted this in the stepchild and smoked out this entire area, and it took like 3 winches to get us off so that we didn't completely destroy our passenger doors. Now we're gonna try this again. Last time we were on 38s, no Hemi, no nothing. This time, 40s, 3-link, long arm, Hemi, all the jazz. So it should be good. Kevin is also airing up the tires right now. You can see he's got the airline hooked up. He's actually airing up from the 8 PSI we are typically at. He's gonna air it up to about 12 PSI to give us just a little bit more clearance, since clearance is a little more important than traction on this guy here. Although traction's still kind of important. All right, Jake's gonna give it a go first. Now, last time you tried it on 37s.
Right.
You're on 38s today. And the sand,
It is full. It
I
is
don't,
filled
I
in.
don't know
Yeah.
if my eyes are like just playing tricks on me, but I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure
we've got a good day for this.
it's filled in.
It's not dug out.
It's not dug
And the
out.
last time my 37s were closer to 35s, so
Kevin's over there digging a hole.
Make it harder.
you know what?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna run him
So
over.
this was about 3 to 4, and this was like 3 to 4 feet.
All right,
down.
Kevin.
He wants you to spot.
So,
Kevin, no, just stay right there. He's going to use you as a rock, like a rock stack.
Yeah, just lay down, Kevin.
Hey, I wanna
All right, you spot, I'll fill.
Oh, come on.
you're good. Okay, solid.
Join the manual.
So a little driver as you come up. Are you the driver? There he is. Yep.
Good line.
Yep. No passenger. No passenger.
Yeah! You know he's so happy right now.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to back up right here. I'm going to do a burnout for about 2
dig it?
minutes.
Dig it out. Yeah, that's definitely not saying anything against Jake. That was a perfect climb. He had the perfect line. Good job, Kevin. But that's way more filled in when I tried it. In my defense.
When you tried it, that was not even the same.
Yeah, when you tried it, it was way taller than you were. It was like way up here.
I was like here.
Yeah.
Brittany is going for some vindication. So last time she smoked it out. We're 3.6, 38s. Now we're 40s, long arms, and Hemi.
Redemption.
Oh.
At least that's the plan. Now I'm gonna jinx myself, and I'm definitely gonna hit something.
No. Just follow his line.
All right, yeah, I'm gonna let you spot.
Lockers.
You got the driver.
You got your lockers on? Air compressor on?
Not yet.
Okay, there you go. Circle a little passenger. A little more passenger. There you go. That's it. Come up, come passenger. Climbing. Passenger. Come on. Hold that passenger. There you go. Keep going. Passenger up. Yep. That's it. Keep going. That's the line. Passenger still. That's it. Just drive straight over. Get back driver. There you go. Come on. Get back driver. Come on. That's it. It's climbing. Get back driver. Drive.
Yeah!
Oh, woo!
job, Brite.
Good job, Brite.
Good job, love.
Well, you still gotta take the right line.
No, I don't.
Okay. Into the hole you go.
Yeah, there you go. Step line like that.
You can turn back down into it, Kev, now. Turn passenger.
Don't make me go on its own.
Okay.
It's gonna flop.
No, he's got it. He's got it. So it looks like we've got a broken yoke on the front drive shaft right at the transfer case. As you can see here, that bad boy right there is not supposed to look like that. So we're gonna pull the front drive shaft and then attempt to pull the Jeep out. Yeah.
Well, that's good.
It's a fairly easy fix.
Yeah, I mean, the drive shaft is still good, so.
It's even a stock part.
Yeah.
That's good.
Not hard to find.
Yeah. All right. Well,
All right. Things can always be worse.
That's right.
That was so crazy. In 4 low with this Hemi, I didn't even feel pulling him up that hill. Like I had no idea it was even back there.
Living the moment till I die. And I'm gonna chase it. And I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it. No matter how hard we try.
This is a lot easier than doing the whole trail on your own, right?
I don't know why we didn't do it this way all day.
There you go. There you go. Now cut into it. Perfect. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Easy. Woo! The tire went in the air for a second.
Fire in the veins, I fight to gain. Breaking all the rules to keep me sane.
Still good?
This is so silly. I've got the AC on,
Oh
just
my god.
blowing on me, pulling him up and
Just chilling, hanging out.
Living the moment till I die. And I'm gonna chase it. And I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it. No matter how hard we try. And I'm gonna chase it. And I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it. No matter how hard we try. No matter how hard we
Speed, speed, speed. We'll get out of your way. All right, so, yeah, look at that. Woo. All right, so we've unhooked the rope, and he is basically in rear-wheel drive with his rear lockers locked. Speed, speed. Yeah, buddy, he's just jumping it. And we're just making sure he can make it down behind us all the way down the dunes. And rear-wheel drive with rear lockers on, which we just made it past the worst part of the dunes. And he is going ham. That's dope. That's dope. Yeah, he's staying right on our tail. So that's one way to finish up a trail. But hey, we made it out safe and sound. So did Matt. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all your Lite Brite Nation merch at LiteBriteStudios.com. All of your Lite Brite Nation decals at PixelDecals.com. Guys, we love you so much, and we will see you next time.
Thanks, guys. That was super crazy. The shit we just did. Really, really.
wrong way.
There's more traction here.
You just gotta go slower. Make sure he doesn't get caught up on anything. You went the wrong way. You need to go that way. Hook up back with the dunes.